Hi dear friends of grade 5, welcome to the live learning session at Narayana. In this session today, we are going to see sentence transformation using voice. It is particularly sentences that are given in active will be transformed into passive, and sentences that are given in passive will be transformed into active voice. Let us see. She was writing a letter. She is going to be the subject. Was writing is in past continuous, and a letter is going to be the object. Remember once again, sentences in which we have a verb and the verb follows an object, it is called a transitive verb, and for every transitive verb we can write passive voice. Now, a letter was writing is given here as the past continuous verb. A letter was being written by her. Check. A letter was being written by her. Answer is 3. He will file a report. Will, simple future. So we write will be followed by the past participle form of the verb. So the object here is a report. It becomes the subject. A report will be filed by him. A report will be filed by him. Answer is 2 here. The boys are playing football. Are playing, present continuous. ing form, being we add, and play becomes played. Football is the object here. It becomes the subject. Football is being played by the boys. Football is being played by the boys. Answer is 4. The boy laughed at the beggar. Laughed is the verb which is in past tense. So we take the auxiliary verb was here. The beggar is going to be the object in the sentence. That becomes the subject. The beggar was laughed at, should not be forgotten, by the boy. The beggar was laughed at. The beggar was laughed at by the boy. Answer is 1. They drew a circle in the morning. Drew, draw, drew, drawn. It is in past tense. A circle is the object. A circle becomes the subject now. A circle was drawn in the morning by them, or a circle was drawn by them in the morning. Let us check. A circle was drawn by them in the morning. Answer is 4. Let me do this. Let, it is an imperative sentence. This is going to be the object here. This becomes the subject. Let, we have to start our passive voice with let again. Let this be done by me. Let this be done by me. 3 is the correct answer. The tiger caught a fox. Caught, past tense. Catch, caught, caught. A fox is going to be the new subject for us. A fox was caught by the tiger. A fox was caught by the tiger. Answer is 2 here. I am doing sums. I am doing, continuous. Being done, generally we write. The sums going to be the new subject. Sums are, sums is plural number. We write are. Sums are being done by me. Sums are being done by me. Answer is 4. This is the way how we transform sentences given in active voice into passive voice, or passive voice into active voice. Hope you have understood this concept. Stay tuned. See you all.